Now we've been kind of watching these tomato plants all summer long, and we started with just little small plants, got those transplanted out into the garden, and here it is harvest season, and these tomatoes are just going crazy. As you can see, it has completely taken over the tomato cage to the point where it's way bigger than the tomato cage can even handle it. Probably should have added some more cages, but right here, despite our best efforts at fencing the garden, the deer have still found a way to get underneath the fence. They've come in and they've nibbled on the tomatoes as well too. So this plant was actually bigger and broader than it is right now. So it's been pruned a little bit by the deer, but it's still producing like crazy. We've been picking tomatoes off of it for nearly a month already, so it's been producing like mad. Of course, we picked tomatoes this week, but you can see there's a lot of fruit still coming on. So I've still got fruit set, I've still got fruit development, and this is a red Brandy Master, and it's a newer variety, and it's just producing like crazy still. In fact, oh, here's a red one. There's a red one right there. So this is a little smaller fruit, but lots and lots of ripe tomatoes coming off of these. And again, we're going to be picking a lot more as time goes on. So beautiful tomato, great old-fashioned flavor, good disease resistance. As you can see how healthy the plant is as we're getting towards the end of the summer. The plant's just been producing like crazy, and really our secret ingredients have been, starting off with the tomato and vegetable food from Natural Guard, a completely organic fertilizer, great complement to really get the plants growing. And then throughout the summer we've been using our seedlingers plant fertilixer to keep them growing. So this is the base for our compost tea program that we do at Anderson Seed and Garden. But the plant fertilixer is one of the best, most premium organic fertilizers that you can use, and it's just turned our tomatoes into powerhouses. They've just been producing like crazy. So a plant like this, I'd estimate we're going to harvest about a bushel off of this one plant, and the pink one has done the same thing, and are very happy with our tomato production this year. If you follow our guidelines, your tomatoes can look like this too and produce bushels that you can enjoy all summer long.